My feet are really tired now.
Yes, we walked so much today.
But I'm so happy. This city is amazing. Look at all these restaurants. They smell good.
I can smell garlic and lemon from here.
We need to eat dinner now. We're hungry.
There are so many places to choose from. That one looks busy. So many people.
A full restaurant is usually a good sign, Tom.
The food must be good if everyone eats there.
So we just go inside and sit down?
Should we call first? Make a reservation?
That's a smart question, Tom.
Yes. Many restaurants need reservations when busy.
What does reservation mean exactly?
It means we called ahead so they'd hold a table for us.
Wait, Maya, I know a shortcut. We just cut through this alley and it saves us like 5 minutes. Really? Are you sure? Trust me, I timed it yesterday. A reservation is when you call before. And then, what happens? You tell them your name and how many. The restaurant keeps a table for you. Oh, so they save a table for us?
Yes. You sit down right away.
Very good explanation, Tom.
We don't do that at home.
Different countries have different eating ways.
Even without a reservation?
Let's try. We might be lucky.
Wow, look how bright it is. I wonder if they have pizza. Wow. It's so busy in here. So many people. So much noise. It smells wonderful, doesn't it?
I can smell fish and herbs.
My stomach is making sounds now. Mine too. I'm really hungry.
Good evening.
Do you have a table for 4? Small table near window. 10 minutes.
That's great. Thank you so much.
We got a table. We didn't even call.
We were lucky.
Sometimes luck comes when you ask.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Wow, this looks great.
I'm starving.
Here we are. A real restaurant dinner.
I've never done this before. It's fun, right?
Yes, it's exciting. Here are your menus and some fresh bread while you decide.
Wow, the bread looks amazing. I'm so hungry. Why are there so many forks? I don't know. That's strange.
That's great. Let me explain. In Western restaurants, a meal has many courses.
First, you eat an appetizer, a small dish. Then you eat main course, the big dish.
Finally, you eat dessert. Something sweet. 3 different meals?
Not big meals, but 3 different courses.
Each course uses different forks and spoons.
Oh.
So each fork is for different?
That makes sense.
Yes, it helps you understand better.
It's tradition, and it shows respect.
When you understand these things, you feel more confident.
I feel more confident already. The forks are kind of beautiful, actually. You're right. They shine.
I think I want the steak. It says it's tender and juicy.
Ah, good choice. The fish looks fresh here, too.
Maya, look at this fish with lemon and cream sauce. It looks interesting. Tell me about it. It's fresh. I think that means it's newly caught, right, Dad?
Yes, Tom. Fresh means new and good quality.
And it's grilled. That means cooked on a very hot grill. The lemon makes it sour and bright. The cream makes it smooth and soft. Fresh, sour, and creamy? That sounds delicious.
Those are great words, Tom.
How did you know all of that? I read it and I imagined eating it.
That's exactly right, Tom. Imagination helps with language.
I want to order the fish now.
Good. You're learning food words already.
And it sounds so tasty when you describe it. Words are better when they're about real things.
Excuse me, could Maya get the pasta primavera without the sauce? And Tom would like the chicken fingers.
I'll start with the avocado toast, please. And then the roasted chicken, no olives. For the children, the spaghetti bolognese.
It's so nice to have a quiet dinner together.
Absolutely.
How are you two doing over there?
We're great, Dad.
Everyone here looks happy. Yes. Food brings people together.
When you travel, you learn through many things.
Like what?
You see new buildings. You walk new streets. But you also learn through food and eating.
Every dish tells a story about a place.
The food shows the culture and traditions.
It shows how people here live and what they value. So the fish tells a story?
Yes. It tells a story about the sea near here.
It tells about the farmers who grew the lemon.
I never thought about food that way.
Most people don't, but it's true.
So dinner is not just eating. It's learning.
Exactly, Maya. You're understanding something important.
Travel is about growing and learning new things. Just seeing new places, new traditions.
Right. Every experience teaches you something.
I like that idea. Me too. It makes everything feel special.
That steak looks perfect.
Thank you so much. And the fish looks delicious too.
Well, let's dig in, everyone.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
This looks absolutely magnificent, honey. I can't wait to try that steak.
Thank you. Please, everyone dig in while it's warm.
Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful.
Look at those colors. Yellow, golden, pink.
It's almost too pretty to eat.
Almost.
They looked more like abstract art than a face.
But we're hungry, so we eat.
This is wonderful. You've outdone yourself again.
I'm glad you like it.
It's so good.
Wait, which fork do we use?
Start from the outside fork, the smallest one. Then move to the next fork for the main course.
I remember from before.
That's smart. Wow, this is amazing.
Honey, you outdid yourself.
It's the best dinner ever.
Oh, this is so fresh.
And sour.
I taste the lemon.
The cream is smooth, very smooth.
My steak is tender and delicious.
Delicious. That's the word.
This spaghetti turned out perfectly, didn't it?
It really did. Best dinner we've had in a while.
My fish is very fresh and creamy.
Tell us more. Use more words.
The lemon is sour and bright. It makes the fish taste better.
Those are perfect descriptions, Maya.
The flavors work together. Sour, creamy, fresh.
Tom, your chicken looks tender too.
It is. Wanna try? Yes. Can I take a small piece? This is delicious too.
You're using English words about food now.
I know. I learned them tonight.
And you're not learning from a book.
You're learning from real experience.
That's true. I taste the words now. That's the best way to learn. Yes. Real life is the best classroom. I'm gonna remember this food forever.
And you'll remember the words, too.
Are you sure you don't want the last piece of pie, dear?
No, you go ahead. I couldn't eat another bite.
I'll take it if you don't want it.
How was everything this evening? That was perhaps the best meal we have ever had here. Simply divine. We are stuffed. Would you like anything else? Dessert?
No, thank you. We're very full.
The meal was delicious. Thank you.
Mom, Dad, should we leave a tip?
That's a good question, Tom.
Yes. In Western countries, we leave tips.
What's a tip?
A tip is extra money. You give it to the server.
It's a way to say thank you for good service.
How much do we give?
Usually between 10 and 20%. It depends on how good the service was.
Our server was very nice.
Yes. He was kind and quick.
Then we should leave a good tip.
Why do we give tips here but not at home?
Different countries have different customs. In many Western places, tips are very important.
It shows respect for the workers' hard work.
It's a way to be kind. I like that idea. Being kind with money.
It says something good about who you are.
Exactly. Generosity shows your character. There. That's our way of saying thank you.
The server will be happy.
We made him happy with money?
We made him happy by respecting his work.
That was a fantastic dinner. I'm stuffed.
It was absolutely lovely.
Can we go now, Dad? I'm ready for the movie. Mom, I learned so many things tonight.
What did you learn? I learned about reservations, how restaurants hold tables, and I learned about forks and courses.
You learned food words too.
Yes. Fresh, creamy, sour, delicious.
What else?
I learned that Western restaurants are different from home. And that tips show kindness and respect.
Those are wonderful things to learn.
But the best part wasn't the learning.
The best part was doing it with all of you.
That's sweet, Maya.
That's what makes memories special.
Sharing experiences with people you love.
I'll remember this dinner forever.
And you'll remember the words forever.
Because they're connected to real moments.
Real moments are the best teachers.
That dinner was delicious.
It really was. Are you kids ready for dessert?
Yes, ice cream sounds great.
It feels good to be here with all of you.
It really does. I'm so grateful for this moment.
Tonight was special, wasn't it?
So special. And fun.
You were brave tonight, Maya. Trying new things.
I was a little nervous at first.
But you did great. You asked questions.
And you helped me learn, Tom. Thank you. That's what big brothers do.
Every meal is a story. Every meal is a memory.
And every moment with family is precious.
I understand that now.
When you travel and eat with people you love.
That's when the real learning happens.
In your heart and in your mind.
Food brings people together. I finally understand. And it teaches us new words, too. And new ways of thinking. We finally made it. It looks beautiful.
It does. I'm so glad we're here together.
Wow, look at the lights.
Come on, let's go rest. Tomorrow is another adventure.
And maybe another delicious meal.
With more new words to learn. I can't wait!
Wow, this hotel looks incredible.
We finally made it, buddy.
I can't wait to see the room.